Hi guys, Joe here with Pops Auto Electric and AC in Fern Park, 100 Obrien Road, Fern Park, 32730. Today we're talking AC. Why are we talking AC? We take care of this now. A good AC performance tune-up is going to save you thousands of dollars. Why we do that? You want to make sure that your system is topped out with the right amount of Freon, the right amount of synthetic oil, so that our compressor is going to work okay, our condenser is going to work okay, our evaporator is going to work okay. I see it every day. People try to put Freon themselves, they buy the can, they throw it in there, and now the AC is actually warmer than it was when they started. Might have put too much Freon. Too much Freon is going to be just as bad, and the system is going to perform even worse than not enough Freon. You have some cars that low in Freon will be really, really cold, but that doesn't mean that it's okay. Low in Freon, that's going to mean that your compressor is not getting the right lubrication, so it's going to be really, really cold, but it's going to burn your compressor off. Another thing that we want to talk about is the three hoses we got here. Why we have three hoses? Because I'm reading the low side, which is the cold side, which is the blue, and I'm reading the high side. The high side is the hot side, red for fire, blue for ice. For me to know that the system is fully charged and your compressor is working really good, I need to have enough low and enough high. Too much high, not enough low, a problem. Too much low and not enough high, a problem. So, and that's going to tell me exactly what we need and what we have in it. We want to offer you also a 20% discount on any AC service by mentioning this video. Not free. You're going to have to, whatever. One of the signs that your air conditioning is going to need service, that click. You hear a click, 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 click. Usually that's a compressor struggling because either it has too much Freon, not enough Freon, or maybe your fans are not coming on like they need to. Of course, half the vehicle is cold, the other half is hot. Classic sign that you're having a Freon situation. Might be a little too low, a little too high. Of course, not enough cold inside the car is definitely a problem, a sign that your AC needs to be taken a look at. At Pops Auto Electric, we do have a diagnostic fee, but if we do the repairs, then the diag is free, so you can't go wrong with that. So, thank you.